Quick and easy breakfast oats smoothie recipe for weight loss. No oil, no milk, no sugar. Welcome back to another episode of Smoothies and Juices. My name is Oluwatunseyi. I make videos on healthy smoothies and juices like the one you are about to watch. I also make videos on healthy food recipes, kitchen hacks, faith and spiritual songs. Consider subscribing if you're yet to do so, and hit the post notification bell to get notified each time I upload a video. Let's swing into action. For this recipe, here are some sesame seeds that have been roasted. These are the measuring cups and measuring spoons I'll be using. Peanut butter. I made a video on how to make peanut butter at home. That's the link on the top right corner of your screen. You can click to watch that video. We have oats, 2 bananas, 5 pitted dates soaked in a 1/4 cup of water to be blended with the oats. We have a cooker, a frying pan and a spatula for the roasting of the oats. You will also need a blender for this recipe. Now to the preparation. Pour the oats into your frying pan and roast for about 3 to 5 minutes. Ordinarily, it will be nice to either roast or soak the oats, but I prefer to do the two just to be pretty sure you're not consuming raw oats, as raw oats contain phytic acid. Phytic acid may inhibit some nutrients and may also cause digestion issues. This phytic acid is released either by soaking or by roasting. Some people even soak overnight. They call it overnight oats. Do what's absolutely best for you. Into your frying pan and roast for about 3 to 5 minutes. You have to be careful here and stir consistently under a very low flame to prevent burning like what I have here. But don't worry if you've got some part burnt. You can hand pick the burnt ones after soaking, as they will float on the water. Then soak for 10 minutes in a cup of water. After 10 minutes, put all the ingredients into the blender one after the other. Don't forget to remove the seeds if you are not using pitted dates from the beginning. It is now time to put peanut butter. 1 tablespoon. You can actually add it from the beginning before the blending begins. If you don't have peanut butter, you can add some peanuts and grind along with the oats. But if you don't have peanuts, you can add some cashews or almonds. The sesame seeds are added just to make the smoothie a bit crunchy. You may decide to garnish with crushed peanuts or some other healthy seeds that can be consumed raw. But I decided to go for the sesame seeds instead of the crushed peanuts because I'll be using a straw to take the smoothie, so the smoothie can go through the straw freely. But if you will be using a spoon to scoop the smoothie, feel free to garnish with seeds or nuts of your choice. Oats are generally gluten-free, packed with a lot of vitamins and rich in fiber, lowers cholesterol and helps in weight loss. Having oats smoothie in the morning keeps you full for a long time. Thanks for being part of today's recipe. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, eat healthy, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.